everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Bilibili. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your web browser and go to the URL box and type in bilibili.tv and search. Bilibili is also named as B-Site, which is a popular Chinese video sharing website based in Shanghai. It's known for its focus on animation, comics, and games content. This includes anime, manga, gaming videos, and related discussions. To sign up for the account, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile avatar. Now click on Create an Account at the bottom pop-up menu. In the sign up form, you will need to enter your email address and create a password. Enter a valid email address you have an access to in the first text box. Now, go to the next field and create a password that you'd like to set up for your account. Once you are done with creating a strong password, which includes 8 to 20 characters in it, at least has one letter, number, and special character. Now confirm the password by re-entering it again in the next field and then click on Send Code. You will now receive a verification code via this particular email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox to verify with your code. Open up the email received from Bilibili, copy the code in it, and then enter it or paste it in the verification code text box. Click on Sign Up, but before that, click on this little box at the bottom, and once you click Sign Up, you will then be able to create a new account for Bilibili. And as you can see it, you have now successfully logged in and you are inside the main homepage. Once you have created a Bilibili account, you'll unlock a treasure trove of ACG content and interactions. Bilibili also offers premium membership program where you can support your favorite creators and gain access to exclusive content. Also get access to HD resolution videos, free video downloads, exclusive logos and styles. To join to Premium, simply go ahead and click on this Join Premium option and then enter your payment method after selecting a plan for yourself. So that is how you will be able to sign up and get started with Bilibili. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.